Hi friends, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela WebDev. So we have successfully completed this edit node and save node and all those things. Update node is working fine and delete is also working fine. Now we'll keep this adding a note and all those things, we'll keep it aside. Now let's try to check about this stats page. So if I click on the stats page, we are able to see this stats page. Now we will do this stats page. So basic thing. So in this stats page, we will show that how many total number of nodes is there. Total number of nodes here, these are 2 nodes are there. So we will be showing the count here and also the total number of characters in all nodes. So that means, for example, here we are having 6 characters and 10 characters, means total number of characters in all the nodes is 16 characters. So like that we will try to do it. So for this one, what we will do is, so let's create a stats page. So we already know that we have a stats page, that is nothing but stats vue.js file, and here this is our stats page. Now we will create a simple table. So what I will try to do is here, so here we will be having a simple table. I will create a table. Okay, in this table I am having a t head. In this t head we will be having a tr, and in this one I will be having th. First one is the node or otherwise stat, and another one is the value. Okay, so these are the stats, and here I will show tr, and in this one td total nodes count. Okay, total nodes count, and here we will show some values, something like 10 or anything, or otherwise xxx we will try to show it. And here I am having another tr. In this tr, what I will try to do is, so here we will be having total characters count, and for in this one also we will be having another td. So here also you need to show some xxx value. So this is the simple table. If you try to see the output, here we are able to see the table, right? So now what I want to do is, so we need to have a Bulma design. So we will apply the classes, something like class is equal to table. Now if you try to see here, we are having some table type of view, and we will make this table as a full width. So here we have a is-full width. Okay, so this is the method we will be having, and if you try to see, we are able to see the full width character. Now let's apply some margin. Yeah, here we will be having something like empty-3 or something like this. Now if you try to see, it has moved little bit bottom. Fine. So this is our total nodes count. I will need to show total nodes count. Right now the total nodes count is 2. So that means we need to show it as a 2. And total characters count means on all the nodes we need to calculate the characters and we need to show it. So total nodes count, for this one what we need to do is, so let's start the script setup. Okay. So for this one what we need to do, first we need to get the total nodes and we need to calculate the count. So instead of doing that one, we have the store, right? So all the complete nodes are available in this store. So what we will do, we will write a getter function to get all the nodes count. So for this one what I can do is, so here I can write a constant total nodes count. I can write it like this, is equal to, it's a computed value. Okay, and here we will return nodes dot value dot length. That's it. So this total nodes count should be added here in order to use it there. Now in the stats view, what we will try to do here, we need to import the use node store. Okay, we need to import it. So we have imported it at the bottom, and here I can use constant nodes store is equal to use node store. So we have imported this one. Now I want to show the count, right? So constant nodes count or something like this is equal to node store dot total nodes count. We have this one, right? So we can have this one, and I can use this nodes count at the top here, or otherwise you can also directly use the node store dot like that also, you can use it, not a problem. And here I am showing the nodes count. Let's see what could be the output. Here if I try to refresh this page, and the total nodes count I am able to see is the 2, which is exactly correct. If I go to the nodes here, and if I add something and if I click on the add new node and if you go to the stats, So total nodes count is there 3, fine, which is working fine. Now I want to get the total character counts which is available in all the nodes. So that means what we need to do, so then also we will have a getter function for this one. And here I will write the constant total characters count. So I will use like this, and this one is also a getter function, means we will be having a computed property. And in this computer property, first what I will do is let count is equal to 0. First I will make it as 0, and I will loop over each count. Let note of nodes dot value, I will loop over each one. Then what I will try to do here, count plus is equal to node dot content dot length. That's it, right? So now I will return the count. Okay, now if I try to use this one, so how can I use this one? Nodes count, we got it, constant total characters count is equal to node store dot total characters count. So this is the method, this is the getter method we are having it, right? And here I can use it like this directly. That's it. Okay, so total character counts I have used it. Now if you want to see the output, how it will look like. Now if I try to refresh this page, let's refresh this page. What is happening here? Okay, we are not using that, we are not returning that method, right? So total characters count we need to return at the bottom. Yeah, now it will work hopefully. If I refresh this page, now we are able to get it 21. Now let's go to the notes app. I am adding 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means it should be 26. I have added another one. Let's go to the stats. See, here it is 26. And also the nodes also I am able to see is 3. If I go to the nodes here and I am adding another nodes. So 4 nodes are there. The stats also, the 43 characters are there. Total nodes count character. And the total nodes count is 4. So in this way we can show the stats page. So this is the stats page which I am trying to show. What we have did, we have created a simple table and we have created a 2 getter functions, that is nothing but total character count. There is a total characters count and also a total nodes count, which is the getter function, and I am trying to use it in the stats view. So what I will try to do is I will commit this one, this all the thing in a new branch, that is video-88. So whoever may be having a doubt in this one, so they can like look at this one. So here stats page design, and here I am committing this code. So whoever will be having doubts and all those things, so they can go to this branch. So I will show this branch also in my thing. So here this is our notes list view. So the GitHub repository link will be provided in the description below of every video, project video. So you can there, if you are checking particular video, means you can go to that particular video branch and you can download the code, or you can clone the code and you can check that particular code. Hope you understood about the stats page design. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.